Write me an essay on artificial intelligence. And there you go. Now, how cool is that? Welcome to this tutorial on how to use ChatGPT, the revolutionary AI chatbot created by OpenAI. This state-of-the-art artificial intelligence allows you to generate conversational text to any question you might have. It can even quote for you. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up an account and how to use it because there's two different interfaces that you can actually use. For now, the AI chatbot is completely free, but if I check on my usage page, I can see that every request costs around 24 cents. So in the near future, this will be paid, but for now, you can use it completely free. Alright, it's time to get you set up so you can use this revolutionary technology for your own benefit. So for the very first step, you can start by going to a browser. In this case, I'm using incognito window because I'm already signed in. So you can simply type chat.openai.com, and what you see on your screen is the home page here. So in order to use it, you'll need an account with OpenAI. That's the company behind this artificial intelligence chatbot. So simply click on sign up and create an OpenAI account here. There are different ways here you can sign in. So what you can do is, first of all, to create an account, you just fill out a new email, pick a password, and after verifying your email and phone number, that connects your account and you're ready to go. Also, you can use your existing Google account or any Microsoft account here, and you can sign up using the same. So once you are signed up, what you will see on your screen is this page here, what I'm already on. So this is where we ask the question, write me an essay on artificial intelligence, and this is your essay. You can simply copy it from here and you can use and you can ask any questions you want. So if I clear my conversation from here, this is exactly what you will see after you are logged in on your ChatGPT conversation, chatbot conversation. So let's try to ask some different questions and let's see what happens. So first of all, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write me a C++ code and to find a word in the string. Let's go ahead and ask that. Look at that. So now it's going to give you a whole code to write the C++ program, and here it is. You're going to let it generate the whole code. So what you see here is the conversation. The chatbot is trying to give you a whole code, and then it will also explain you how does that code work or what kind of characters or things you need to replace within the code. And once you're done, you'll see regenerate the response. That means the answer is here. If you have a code, you can simply copy the code from here and use it wherever you would like. So I'm going to go ahead and ask another question. So let's go and ask the most useful commands in Excel, and there we go. So you'll have some of the most useful commands here. So the first one is sum. We all know that sum, average, and most of these commands we must have used in our day-to-day life. But this is basically just the starting, and you can ask from anything to everything, and ChatGPT has got an answer for you. Isn't that revolutionary? Well, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for a complete tutorial on ChatGPT followed by the best tips and tricks on how to use that. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.